kangillinarmi nutaattiarmi pigartittilermata ᓄ나ᕗᒻᒧᑦ amma ilagiinnut ᓄ나ᕗᒻᒥᒃ Kivalliq ăकुनिуᔪᒥᒃ Каᒪᒋяу지अᓖٿ инигиаувиксақ матуинниусалермат упергаами таурсиортауллутик катутсиута пилерихатигииннут иннарпаллианеқ имминик иппигиттиарлуни пиуйиммариалук пилеривик атуиннауттиттиёқ налунаартаусимаюник қуввасинниқартуник 4 amma 5 иннатоқат пиериатуюник ааниақартут камагияутутик сангиннут сивуллерпааттиақ ᓄнаᕗᒻми иллиқартоқ 24ник пиуйуммариалугмик камагияунеқарниартоқ ангеррангата қанигияаник авалутауссималлути илеққусингиннут амма нунангиннут.
This new facility, and the new service that will be available, it's a huge step forward for the Kivalliq region, and not just for the region, for the whole territory. Right now, we're relying on Ottawa, and we've never had this type of service being able to be provided in Nunavut, so it's a huge step forward, and it's very exciting.
We've been waiting for this for a very long time. When they were going to build this, we were very, very excited about it. And because it meant at least if they're not from this community, they're from the region and there's family there. And hopefully that it will make it easier for a family to visit them, spend time with them, and to be able to hear their own language, that they're much closer to home.
Nalikusuak nangmineq atornikuuyoq ᓄ나ᕗᒻᒥᒃ Каᒪᒋяқарнермик ᓄ나ᕗᒻми Каᒪᒋсиманикугамигик ангаёққаангик илисарсимаёқ исимаккут амма пилериттинут аксоруутаувактуник аторсимангмат анаанага инуугунниилаалертиллугу камагияунинганут пивиқартитаулутик ᓄнаᕗᒃᐃథ қавимаягинниититаулути қаллунааnuuqtitauнгингаарлутик пилеривингмут.
You know, I look out the window, you recognize the landscape, the water, the rocks, and the community, and even some of the houses, there's no trees.
Kiinaoyaqartitaulluti pimmarialukkut kavamatuqakkunni amma ᓄ나ᕗᒻми kiinaoyaqartitinikkut una pilerivik turaangerneqartoq pimmariutitauyunik piusiriauvalortunik amma piusitoqangita ᓄ나ᕗᒻmiut.
The focus is on the residents, and we know that residents want to hear Inuktitut. Residents want to see Inuit culture and values reflected in the activities in the center. They want to see it reflected in the food, and so Inuit employment is a way of supporting that. It all comes back to the residents and the elders at the end of the day, and we're going to continue working with Tigaq Corporation to make sure that Inuit employment and training opportunities are maximized.
Piuyammarealuk pilerivik sanayausimayoq ikayertuinaartoq asitserpalliartutauyunut kamagiyaunikkut pangnautinik takuksautittilutik Inuit ileqqusinginni ilaliutilugit peqqusitoqakkut neqingiit inummut piauyarialiit amma iniqartittiarlugit iqqaitittiniaqtumik kivallermiikkavi ᓄ나ᕗᒻми.
The birthdays, the special occasions that are missed when you're hundreds or thousands of miles away from an elder, those are lost opportunities. Being able to change that story and being able to increase the in-territory capacity has been so important and exciting.
Una anigoqtitauyoq kaayusiyunnaqayalaungittoq pileriqatigilauнгиппата каваматоқаккут амма ᓄнаᕗᒻми pileriqatigiittut амма ᓄналиит араагут таннут contract ᓄнавут кавамаккуннут амма таққиақ corporation-куннут аллориарутиммариалууйоқ саангатиттауннинганут ᓄнавумми ааниартулерининга амма микилливааллит титтиниартуни ᓄнаᕗᒃᐃథ пиериақартангит камагияутсутит ᓄнавут силатаани.
Inuit hiring and training for the facility is very high priority for the government. We want to make sure that there's the maximum amount of Inuit employed as possible at the facility. We know that the more Inuktitut is spoken in the facility, the more local employment is supported through the facility, that the better the outcomes will be.
Pinneriunnerpaaq ippigusuttianginnarneq amma kamariaqattiarneq qaimainnarsimangmagu arnaup.
The stories that they have, the hardships that they went through, they deserve to be treated well towards the end.